boyfriend, so you can't go back. Please enjoy your party, I'll be here.
What's up, Goat Squad? This is Shakira back with another video, and today I'm going to show you all how I achieved this really nice high natural bun.
That's good.
So I'm just starting off how I would start off any other natural hairstyle, which is by detangling all my hair to make sure that the style doesn't have any kinks or knots. And I'm going to be detangling my hair today with the Cream of Nature Knot Away Leave-In Detangle. So now I'm just going to take a hard brush and I'm going to begin slicking my hair up to the top where I want my bun to be with Eco Styler gel. So to spice up this hairstyle, all you see me doing here is taking off a few strands of hair from each side of my head to define the curls later to give the style a little more oomph, like I said a few seconds ago. And in this clip, you just see me putting my hair up into a ponytail, making sure that it's nice and firm but not too tight. And after I put my ponytail in, you just see me wrapping around all my natural hair. I'm just going to be securing it with rubber bands and bobby pins. And these last two parts are probably the most favorite part of every hairstyle I do. So here you just see me defining my curls on each side, which looks great. I was really scared that I had heat damage. I'm pretty sure that I had a little bit, but it was not as much as I expected. But in the next clip, in a few seconds, you will see me laying my edges down and getting them right. So this pretty much marks the end of this video. If you all enjoyed it, make sure you let me know down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.